Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, ang 1 real ng Saudi Arabia, mayroong taon na 2016. I-share ko sa inyo guys ang napagandang mga impormasyon tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Saudi. Tapusin lang ang video guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Saudi Arabia. The 2016 Saudi Arabia 1 real coin, a symbol of heritage and modernity. In 2016, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia introduced a new 1 real coin as a part of its 6 series of currency. This coin not only serves as a medium of exchange but also reflects the nation's rich heritage and its contemporary leadership under King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud. The design and composition. The overside showcases a portrait of King Salman at its center. To the right, his full title, custodian of the two holy mosques, King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, is as inscribed within a golden frame. On the left, a plant motif encircled the national emblem, symbolizing growth and prosperity. On the reverse, the coin's denomination is prominently displayed. The numeral 1 in silver flanked by Arabic inscription above its English translation 1 real below. The surrounding golden frame bears the full name of the Kingdom on the right and a plant motif with a national emblem on left. The top and bottom edges are marked with the Hijri year 1438 and the Gregorian year 2016 respectively. Symbolism and significance. This coin embodies Saudi Arabia's dedications to honoring its cultural legacy while embracing modernity. The inclusion of King Salman's portrait signifies the nation's respect for its leadership, while the plant motifs and national emblem highlights its commitment to growth and unity. 2016 Saudi Arabian 1 real coin hold produced as part of the 6 series of Saudi currency. This bimetallic coin features a copper nickel center encased in a brass ring with a diameter of 23 mm and weight of 5.73 grams. As of 2024, the cumulative inflation rate in Saudi Arabia since 2016 is approximately 13.31%, meaning that the purchasing power of 1 real in zero is equivalent to about 1.13 reals today. In terms of collector's value, the 2016 real coin is generally valued slightly above its face value. For instance, uncirculated coins have been listed for sale at prices remaining or ranging 6.30 US dollar up to 7 US dollar in eBay. However, the actual value can vary based on the factors such as the coin's conditions, rarity, and demand among collectors. Overall, while the 2016 1 real coin remains in circulation with modest appreciation in collectors' markets, its primary value is as a representation of Saudi Arabia's cultural heritage and economic history. The 2016 1 real coin stands as a testament to Saudi Arabia's rich history and its forward-looking vision. It serves not only a currency but also as a symbol of national pride and identity. For more detailed information, you can refer to the Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority official page on the 6th issue of the currency. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.